Hare Krishna, dear devotees. We are continuing our series about how to get protein from vegetarian diet. And we have all ingredients ready for sprouted mango dosas, or omelettes, if you like to say. And we put 1 small tomato, 5 peppercorns, 6 leaves of fresh basil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 cup of sprouted mung beans. Our fruit processor is not very good, so we are playing around with it a little bit. And the trick is to put as little water as needed in order to get it smooth, but no more, because otherwise then the dosas will not stay together, they will break. So without any water, it wasn't enough, as you can see now. So we are adding a little more, 2 or 3 tablespoons. That's what we did. And we are going to blend it for a second time. So this looks quite good. We add maybe 1 more tablespoon. We clean the blender and we can make the patties. So we have a preheated, that's important, a preheated pan, and then we wipe it with wet towel, and then we can start with making patties. We are focusing to make the round shape, and we wait until it's a little done, and after it's a little done, we add a drop of oil, and we spread the oil all around the patty. That will help us to eventually flip it around. Okay, so we are going to try to flip it. It's not an easy task. And yay, celebrating our victory. Now a few more minutes, it's done. And all that we need to do now is to offer it to Krishna.